Hi guys, it's Spence from ONYX Automotive and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have this Porsche GT4 in frozen berry metallic. What a name. It's almost like a rose kind of colour. It's a very nice colour. It's a factory colour also, but this car, the way it's sitting right now, has been protected with Satin PPF. So this car originally came in the metallic frozen berry colour from factory, and this car is in here today for a Satin PPF conversion. In the comments right now, let me know what you guys think of this colour combination down in the comments. I think it's very unique, and I personally quite like it, especially in this Satin PPF conversion as well. So there you go guys, take a look at this colour combination now. The Satin PPF I think has made a big difference, not only fully protecting the entire vehicle, I think it's changed the way it looks in a very positive manner. I think it looks amazing, so let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. And if you guys are interested in having your car PPF'd, make sure you go down into the description, check out our website and check out all the packages we have to offer. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button for us, it really helps us out, and also subscribe with notifications on. And if you enjoy these PPF videos, make sure you go check out all the other videos. Last week, we actually PPF'd the Bugatti Chiron, so check that one out. One of the most expensive cars we've ever had in ONYX Automotive, so do not miss that video. I'll leave recommended videos that I recommend to you guys up in the cards for you guys to check out. And I've been Spencer, this has been ONYX Automotive, that's been the GT4. One last look. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.